Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding affiliate links to your Shopify store. Let's get started. To begin setting up affiliate marketing for your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your store. On the left-hand menu, locate the Apps section and click on it. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can manage and add new applications that enhance your store's functionality. From here, proceed to the Shopify App Store by selecting the appropriate option within the Apps section. Once in the Shopify App Store, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed at the top. In this search bar, type the keyword affiliate to generate a list of various affiliate marketing platforms available for Shopify users. These platforms are specifically designed to simplify the process of creating and managing affiliate links for your store. Browse through the available options and select a platform that aligns with your business needs and goals. After identifying your preferred affiliate platform, click on its listing within the App Store. This will open a detailed page providing information about the app's features and benefits. Once you've reviewed the details, click the Add App button to begin the installation process. A new window will appear, prompting you to confirm your choice by selecting Install App. You will then be asked to provide your store URL and create an account on the affiliate platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process, ensuring that your account is fully configured to integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store. With your affiliate platform installed and your account set up, return to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the Settings section, which can be accessed from the main menu. Within Settings, locate and select the Apps and Sales Channels option. This section displays a comprehensive list of all the apps currently installed in your store, including the newly added affiliate platform. Next, open the GoAF Pro app from your apps list. The app interface will provide you with various tools and options to begin creating and managing your affiliate marketing program. You can generate affiliate links tailored to your store by following the straightforward instructions within the app. These links are ready to be shared with your affiliates, allowing them to promote your products effectively. GoAF Pro offers a range of advanced features that make managing your affiliate program both efficient and intuitive. You'll have access to an affiliate portal where affiliates can track their performance, custom link creation tools for specific campaigns or products, and various management features such as setting commission rates, tracking affiliate sales, and processing payouts. Additionally, the platform enables you to create unique coupon codes, providing another promotional tool for affiliates. For those looking to expand their reach further, GoAF Pro includes access to a marketplace where you can connect with potential affiliates interested in promoting your products. These robust capabilities make GoAF Pro an excellent choice for businesses starting their affiliate marketing journey on Shopify. That's it for this video. I hope this helped you understand how to add affiliate links to your Shopify store.